Well, good morning, everybody. I think we're gonna get at it. I'm gonna eat a little bit of chicken feed. Head over to our little friends here. Oh. Okay, we'll try that again. Okay, look. It's a chicken pen. We've got a nice roof over it and everything like that. Chickens just love it. I'm gonna have a nice fresh egg omelet this morning, okay? Maybe we'll do that in the kitchen. I'll show you how I make a nice cheese and egg omelet. Okay, you guys? Sun's shining today, it's beautiful. So, that's why I get pissed about all the coyotes around. And you can see the dogs. Dogs are going crazy running the fence line. They know they're out there. Even the horses down at the fence line. Okay, let's go over there. She's got one of the pups in her mouth there. And the other dog went in here. The other coyote went in there. And the other one, or is that something they've killed? Are they eating something they've killed? Oh no, it's a baby. Oh well, good morning. Let's get into the studio, you guys. Okay, bonus footage. I was having a cold drink. We're doing the next part of the investment of the buckle, and I thought, oh, I'm going to go out and take a look for the little coyotes. The coyotes were out there playing. The little coyotes were playing, and the other coyotes, there was 4 of them watching to make sure everything was okay, and a black bear came out of the tree line and made a beeline for him, and the coyotes chased the bear back into the trees. Okay, bonus feature. There's a bear. There's a standoff right now, and the little babies are right there. Oh, and they're going after him. Oh. Look at the little baby. His head sticking right up. I don't know if you can see him right there. And where'd the bear go? Oh yeah, look. Okay, good morning, good afternoon. So yesterday's video or the day before, it depends on how long it's going to take me to make the next video here. You saw me, I did a little bit of the coyotes, the dogs, the pond, and everything like that we carried on. But this video, we're going to try to do a little bit more about jewelry. So we got this to the point where we've got it sprued, we got it on a rubber base, and we're going to get a flask that fits that nicely. Without knocking it off, we're going to put that on there, right? We make ourselves a cup. And when we do the vacuum, the investment rises. And so instead of making, number 2, right, we put down the list. Instead of making a mess, we raise the edge of the flask, right? So now when the investment rises, it's not going to spill in there. We're not going to make a mess. So let's mix up the investment, and we'll go from there. I don't know if that's going to be enough. I tell you what, I'm going to fill that up and I'll get back to you. Okay, wear your dust mask when you're messing around with this investment, stuff like that. Your health's not worth it. So, where are we at? I always say I edit these things. Okay, so I can't really see the vacuum machine from there, but trust me, it's there. Clean up after yourself as you're going. And what I'll do is I'll just show it maybe the next little part of the video, just kind of, we vacuum the investment once in the bowl, and then we pour it onto the buckle, and we'll do it again. We'll vacuum it again. That takes all the air bubbles away from the wax pattern. Okay, you guys. Okay, so the investment rose now, and all the air bubbles came out of it, but we want to get it into the flask. All right, just turn it on its side and just don't want to break anything. Anyways, fill that right up. Get that on there. Okay, look at that. Perfect. Okay, get that out perfect. Get that up here. We're gonna vacuum that out again. Sometimes coffee just won't do. Oh yeah. You dig them coyotes? They're thick around here. Thick, thick. I got another pack across the street. That's out here is where I showed you, and then over here there's another pack. There's about a bunch of 8-acre properties across the street going on to another slough, the Bonneville Slough, and the bears and the coyotes from over there, they just thick around here. Nobody's done anything about it, right? Everybody just thinks they're the cutest thing, and all the residents, you know, except for the people that have lost their pets, they're, you know, you see all the little posters around the neighborhood. Oh, Fluffy's missing. Well, we could get into the political discussion. I know what happened to Fluffy. Fluffy's over in the field. Sorry. Minky and Fluffy and Sweetie Pie and all that. Any of your pets that are missing? Okay, let's get back to this. Casting. Okay, so we find ourselves back in the studio. We were fiddling around a little bit this morning. There was coyotes to look at, and puppies were out there, and the dogs were going crazy. That type of thing. We fed the chickens. Okay, so we're in the studio. We're gonna do the casting. I'm thinking after the casting, we're gonna do maybe a little bit of the investing, kind of show you how I got to the flask, and then maybe we're gonna end off the video with the bear video, with the bear coming out of the tree line. I said it was going to be bonus feature today. The bears know that the coyote pups are there. The landlord knows that the coyote pups are there. His dogs know, they're big sheep dogs and stuff like that. They've been out there fighting this morning with them. So a lot going on over there. As long as they're on that side of the slough, I'm kind of okay. So let's get at it. We're going to get ready for this casting. Let's, I don't know, is the fan going to be, I'll find out later if the fan's noisy. I like the fan being on. Okay, I adjust this a little bit. I'll edit that. Okay, so what do we need to do? Gloves. We've got the silver in here already. I loaded up the crucible with all the silver I need. It's quite heavy, 140 grams. I put a little bit extra in there. Cut a little bit off for the sprues, but that should be right. Okay, look. That's a big flask. Okay, so we don't really want it to drop or anything like that. And get ourselves something so that we've wound this up 4 times, put the extra weights on there. Like, we're kind of ready to go, right? You getting this? Okay, so Nice clean burnout. See how nice and white that is? Okay. Nothing loose, nothing hanging on it. Okay. Don't flop this around too much. Let's just get that together. Okay. Let's get our glasses on. Our high-tech glasses. We've got everything on, right? We've got that on. Fire up the torch. We might have to go fill that other propane bottle before it expires. I meant the oxygen bottle. Is that running? Yeah. You can see that. Okay. That's casting a large belt buckle. And that's having a cup of coffee. Oh yeah. Okay, let's not waste any time. Let's get the crucible. Let's not waste any time. Let's get the crucible off of there. Right? Nice casting. Okay. There's a little indentation there, a button shape, because I had a little bit extra gold, silver in there, and so the silver kind of shaped itself around the end of the crucible. So that's why you pull the crucible out right away while it's all hot, so it doesn't stick and you don't wreck it. Okay. Next thing. I don't foresee. Well, I could just leave that the way it is right now because you never know. I might do another belt buckle. Okay, where does this go? Goes over to our go-to spot. Right there, this nice airflow under here. So this can sit for, that could sit for 10 minutes. That could sit for a good 10 minutes before I can, before I need to quench it. And then there'll be a little sanding, polishing, and maybe we'll end off the video with that. We'll see. I'll try not to make this one too long because yesterday's was 25 minutes. We'll see what kind of results that gets. Okay. Hey, if you like what I'm doing, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, make a comment. Tell me I'm losing my mind, tell me you like it, tell me you want to see something, tell me there's something on the farm that you like. Don't get political about the coyotes, okay? I'm a farmer. You know what I think about the coyotes. And I know they're cute and everything like that, but they gotta go. All right, you guys. Okay, so we're back. I don't know, it's, I could kind of touch it, but I'm not gonna. There we go. Let's see what we got. Now I'm just going to show you a quick blast of it so you can see how nicely it turned out. So I'm not. Now, the dark color is oxidization. But no casting problems. No casting problems that I can I can see nothing. There's the pin, the belt, the back looks nice. Great casting. So what we'll do is we'll maybe go a little further. We'll just do a bit of cutting, sanding, polishing, and the finished one will be maybe the next day's video. Okay. So after a quick hacksawing and a filing around the edges, hand filing just around the edges like that, and on the back, that's going to go into the pickle pot. So I don't know how long this video is going to be. I don't want today's video to be too long. I think maybe if it's 20 minutes or under, but that might be nice. And then tomorrow's video could be the sanding, or the next day's video, maybe Thursday or Friday's video, will be the sanding and the finishing and getting this buckle antiqued, and then the red letters in there. Maybe black letters, I'm not too sure. Black's usually quite nice. Okay, you guys, that turned out beautiful. Have a great day. If you like what I'm doing, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Let's not get political about the coyotes. They're cute and everything like that, but they're nothing but trouble down here. Okay, you guys, have a great day.